Why I missed that bobcat.
Oh, because I stopped it.
Yeah.
It's just beautiful.
That was only the second time it happened when I was filming the bobcat. Now it happens almost every time, so I watch for it.
Okay. Now that you know, yeah. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is.
This is just gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh.
Somebody on a. You got sculptures over there. They're fenced off. Oh, there's something under there.
Yeah.
Security.
Huh. Look at the dogs.
Yeah.
Drinking out of the big.
I'm just gonna walk around this. I'll catch up with you.
Hello guys, sitting down, but there's a white thing on him.
I don't know. Take your time. Don't scare them off. No. Might be protecting an egg or something. Hey babe, when you're done there, let's walk back there. Oh, okay. You can go see him.
I think they have eggs underneath and they're both kind of like crouching over.
So that's a museum.
Awesome.
This is a little rough.